Welcome back to lesson 4 of our no-code track in 0xSplits. My name is Sweetman.eth or Sweets.eth. I'm based here in Buenos Aires, Argentina. This is the step everybody wants to talk about, earning money and then getting that inside of your splits contract. You've got your NFT project already, and now when someone buys that NFT, money goes into your split. So for this lesson, we're going to talk about earning and how to manually trigger earning, and that'll be the challenge for this lesson. So to get this set up, we're going to open up two things. We're going to open up Mumbai's Polygon scan, and we're going to also open up your wallet in 0xSplits, your custom split contract. So for the first one, opening up Mumbai's Polygon scan, if you don't have it auto-populated in your URL like I do, you can just look up Mumbai Polygon scan, and then the first result should be mumbai.polygonscan.com. And the other thing we want open is our 0xSplits contract. If you still have it open from the last lesson, great. If you don't have it open from the last lesson, you can just go back to overview, and then you can click view existing splits, and then we can find that address that we just created. I'm actually having trouble finding it. This should be the contract that I just created. And here's my split. And we can see that it created, I believe, this contract. Yeah, here it is. Here's our contract. So it starts with AE399. AE399. Here it is, AE399. So here's my contract address. Right now we can click this little download button in the top left, and we can see that there are no balances to withdraw. And we can also see in the balance there's a check mark with 0.00, meaning that there's no funds in the wallet right now. We can verify that over here on Polygon scan, where we can see there is zero-matic balance. Your goal for this lesson is to change this balance so that it doesn't say 0, and the same way over here inside of the balance so that it doesn't say 0. You can go ahead and pause this video and go and use whatever methods you want. If you want to sell an NFT with this as the recipient, you can do that. If you want to just use MetaMask or your wallet to send funds in here, you can do that. Go and do something to get some funds inside of this wallet so that the balance doesn't say 0 here, and on Polygon scan, on Mumbai's Polygon scan, it does not say your balance is 0. Pause the video, go and give it a try. If you're watching this, that means that you completed the lesson or you had some issues. I'm now going to walk through how I would do this to get some funds inside of this smart contract. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the faucet to just get some ERC20 tokens that I can send. I'm going to look up faucet Mumbai, and then that's going to take me to the Polygon faucet. From here I can enter in my smart contract address that I want to receive some funds. I'm going to have this come into my wallet 61. So I'm going to take the public key, I'm going to type it in for wallet address, and then I'm going to hit submit. That's going to send me some Matic tokens. So I can see that I now have half a Matic in here. And I just want to send some funds to my contract address. So I'm going to copy the address, open up MetaMask, and then hit send, type in the address, and I'm going to send it 0.45, so almost all of my Matic except what I think I'll need to pay the gas. Gonna make it fast, and then I'm gonna confirm. So we've now got this transaction. We can view the transaction on a block scanner, and then we can wait until this transaction actually goes through. While we wait, take a sip of water, take a couple deep breaths. Relax, victory is assured. You're playing around in Web3 today, which is great. Looks like the transaction has been approved, so I can refresh this and we can see that it has been included in a block. So in a couple seconds, this block should resolve, and then we should be able to view the details of this transaction, and our balances should be updated. At this point, I can probably come over here to my wallet, and we can see, boom, this wallet does have 66 cents. It's received that 0.45 Matic, so we've already got it showing up over here on the 0xSplits side. If we refresh our Polygon scan for our contract address, we should be able to verify the same thing. We can see, boom, we have received 0.45 Matic inside of our smart contract, so we have already accomplished this lesson. And then here's the transaction. It is now finished getting completed. We can see it had a value of 0.45 Matic, and it was very simple. It went from me to my smart contract that I've created for 0xSplits. That's it for this lesson. We now have a balance inside of our 0xSplits smart contract. So in the next lesson, we're going to go into step 3 of the 0xSplits process, which is distributing funds. Again, those steps in order to use 0xSplits. 1, create a split. We have a split right here. Here's our split address. Step 2, receive funds. We have now received funds, and that's the step that we just completed. We have received 0.45 Matic. Step 3 is going to be to distribute, and you can see there's a fee that we'll talk about in the next lesson. And then step 4 is withdrawing. If you got any questions, let me know. I am sweets.eth or sweetman.eth on Twitter. Otherwise, this is Sweets, signing off.